You will need Quartzgrip solid top panel, chop saw with diamond or stone tipped blade, tape measure, pencil, marker, large dome washers and M8 bolts. Step 1. Cutting. Cut the panel to size using an untoothed blade. The upper surface of the grating is impregnated with quartz and may blunt an unsuitable blade or grab the material. Cut the panel face down along the nearest moulded rib to ensure you retain the structural integrity, strength of the panel. Step 2. Fitting. Lay the panel in the desired position for drilling and ensure you drill through panel and support structure. Fit a dome washer to the bolt and pass it through the solid top panel and the underlying support structure. On the support structure where the bolt protrudes, fit a washer and nut and secure tightly with a spanner or socket wrench depending on the accessibility. Contact sales at steponsafety.co.uk or call us on 01206 396446 or visit our website www.steponsafety.co.uk.